In today's video I will show you step by step how you can recover your Roblox account with no phone number connected to your profile. So first of all, what we can do is head over to our Roblox. Once we open up Roblox right here, we can now just wait until it loads up, click on login, and then what you will notice now is there is an option for forgot password or username. If we click on this, that will then bring us over to the process where we can start recovering our account. So as you can see, there is no option for a phone number because we don't have one linked to our account. So what we need to do is simply click on use email to reset password, or you can click on this at the top and then use your username. So for example, if I just go back and I will click on use email, you need to now enter in your email into this box right here. Once you have entered in your email, just simply click on submit. And then once you click on submit, you will need to head over to your Gmail to get the email that Roblox do send you. So as you can see now, I'm on my Gmail, and this is what the email will look like once you get sent it by Roblox. If we click on now reset password, that will then bring us over to this page where you can select whatever account you want. And then once we do this, and then once we go ahead and change our password, that will mean that we have fully recovered our Roblox account without a phone number connected to our Roblox account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.